All right, guys, it's Brian back again here with Hosterian. Today's topic will be, or is, how to get ranked on Google. What's the first thing you have to do to be ranked, and you cannot even be ranked unless you do. Okay, it's gonna sound crazy, but the very first thing is to get a Google My Business page. That's the very first step right there. You cannot be ranked on Google if you don't have a page that is on Google. Okay, so it's 8 steps here to make that happen. All right, now step number 1, you want to obviously set up your account. To set up your account, you go to google.com/business. All right, super easy. This is also free. Now after you go there, you want to type in your business name. After you type in your business name, you want to make sure that everything's correct. Okay, so obviously take your time with this. Don't rush it. Do not rush it. All right, step number 2 is that then you want to type in your address. Make sure your address is correct on there. Okay, that's very important. Accuracy is important when it comes to being ranked on search engines like Google. After you get that part set in, the next thing it's going to ask you is what is the area that you perform in, right? The areas that you have business in, you do business in. Now, if you do not want your address on Google or out in the public, because like maybe you do something from your home and you want to make sure everything is people aren't coming to your house, that's okay. All you have to do is click the box that says hide my address. Okay, now it'll still give you it'll still let people know that the area you're in, like the town, the city or state or something, but it's not going to give people your personal address if that's something you want to hold and hide that from everyone. Okay, one click that changes that. All right, now after you let Google know if you want to hide your address or not, then you let them know what areas that you do business in, let them know if you deliver or not, things like that. Okay, the next thing you want to do, or you have to do, is to tell Google what your business category is. Okay, now this is important because these are the types of things that will help Google know that if someone's looking for you, if they're looking for perfume or if they're looking for jewelry, and you tell Google that you are a perfume place or a jewelry place, it helps them find you. So it helps Google guide people to you. Okay. Then after that, you want to add in your business information, right? The rest of your business information, like your phone number. You also want to add in things like an email or a website. Okay, absolutely important to have a website. If you don't have one, obviously let me know and I'll get y'all taken care of. Okay. After that, the very last step is to complete your Google verification. Now that's the tricky part. That part can take time to do. There's 3 different parts of this verification. One is a phone verification. So when you put your business phone number in there, Google wants to make sure that's the real phone line and it's active. Your second verification is your email. So they want to make sure that the email is a real email and it's accurate. And then the most important one would be the postcard. So what Google will do is mail you a postcard to that address and make sure that this is a real address that's not like a vacant home or something. Because you're going to get ranked on Google, they got to trust that you are who you say you are. So you have to pass through that verification. Without going through those 3 verification steps, you cannot have a page. If you do not have a page on Google, you cannot be ranked on Google. Okay? So those are your 8 steps to get ranked on Google for free. If you have any issues with this or need some help, jump on my calendar. I'm going to put the link in the comments here. Jump on my calendar. I'll walk you through how to do it. Or I can just do this for you. Okay, do this for you, knock it out, and that's when the fun begins. Because after you get your page, opens up the door for you to do all kinds of stuff on Google. All right, talk to you guys soon.